to do this one last. We're going to do this one first. And then this one before this one. Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's see what you got.
Okay, Kabuto, Pokemon Fan Club, Atira Spirit Link, Gothita, Rilo, Kotoni, Bernie, Snubble, and Solus.
Ooh, reverse holo.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see, what do we get? Ooh,
Nice.
Delphox.
It's a holo, huh?
Yeah. Sinikano?
Devolution Spray.
Oh,
Dowsian.
Hey,
Oh, we have another Riolo.
Okay, well, we match that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See? Binacle. Solus, another Solus. Spoink. Gachita, another one. And a Snuckle! Okay. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, Amandibuzz.
Looks cool.
Weezing.
Classic.
Fairy Garden. Whimsicott. Fennekin. Solus. Riolo. Spoink. Diglett. And Mew.
A Mew?
A Mew?
What?
Oh my. Look at that.
That thing's amazing.